Every time I'm doing something that's non-essential, I'm giving up on something that is essential. Greg McKeown. My friends, I am traveling. I'm relying on a satellite to get all of this uploaded to you, so I pray it all works. Let's jump into these charts. We see everything up for the day except gold down just a little bit. We'll start first, as we almost always do, with the S&P 500. As we start this week, we can see that, again, another green up candle, just stair steps going up, reaching a higher high. Nice size candle so far. We look at the 2-day chart, which this is the first day of the 2-day candle, and we can see we're not up to half volume yet. We look at the half day, not a lot of volume in the morning, more volume above average in the afternoon. So we'll keep an eye on things as the week continues to progress, but starting off nicely, up 0.77%. So again, weekly vertical crossover is yielding us results once more. How beautiful. Let's look at the Qs. What do we see going on here? Up 1.22%. Very similar. We see that we've got nice candle forming here, higher high, nice candle body. We can see that we're still not up to half there on this latest candle, just halfway through. And we look at the volume in the morning, nice volume in the afternoon. So again, things going nice on this shortened week. Remember, markets in the States will be closed for Thanksgiving and a short day on Friday closing at 1. Let's look at bonds up 0.61%. Now we can adjust our trend line a little bit here, bring it in a little closer, still connecting 3 candles. Look at all that volume over these last few weeks. Volume starting off slow. As we look at the 2-day volume, again, not up to half, small candle there, but again on the weekly are reaching higher high, and a candle about the size it was over the last 2 weeks. We look at things in the morning, a down move, and then things popped up in the afternoon, 0.61%. So again, bonds going in the right direction with stocks. Let's take a look at gold. Gold has been sliding sideways. Of course, some negativity over these last 2 weeks after things pretty much popped that first week of this last 3-week move starting on the 16th of October and then died. Now we do have a green candle that is starting, breaking what was of some possible, again, these kind of trend lines aren't helpful when you've got red spinning tops. Again, average volume there on both those weeks. So it's telling you somebody's selling, somebody's buying, something is going on behind the scenes. We look at the 2-day, and you can see this latest 2-day candle just sort of fizzing, lots of indecision. We can see down in the morning, recovering a little bit in the afternoon. What's going on with gold? Don't know. We'll continue to watch as this week progresses. Lastly, we go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin up 2.23%. You can't really tell that with the weekly candle. Again, a small candle, not reaching let's see, is it reaching a higher? 36.32. Last week, no, not reaching a higher high. In fact, 2 weeks ago was a higher high. You can see all that volume over the last 2 weeks. Hardly any volume starting the day off. We look at the 2-day, and of course you can see it sitting right on that prior trend line. We can see it sort of pushing through the trend line going down on the weekly. And we look at where we are on the 2-day. We can, of course, see up in the morning, a little further up in the afternoon, again up 2.23%. But for Bitcoin, what does that mean? So again, sort of a stalling here. That is where we are as we start this shortened trading week. So appreciate you being with us. Thank you for your patience with me as I travel this week. I'll be getting these shows out every day that I can, unless the technology fails me. We'll always love to hear from you. cw@chartingwealth.com. God bless, my friends. All the best from the whole team at Charting Wealth World Headquarters.